Good morning, students. How are you all? Today, we are going to learn an interesting topic in mathematics. We are going to deal chapter 2 linear equations in one variable, and this is my third session. Make sure to bring a notepad, pen, scale, everything. And please don't bring any calculators. Before coming to my live session, please complete the solutions for these two problems. It's a skill test for you. Okay, students? Learning objective. By the end of the session, students will be solving equations with variables on both sides of the equal sign. Introduction. So we have already worked on solving one-step equations, that is x minus 3 is equal to 4. Two-step equations, 2x plus 8 is equal to minus 10. Multi-step equations, 5 into a minus 3 plus a is equal to 21. What happens if there is a variable on both sides of the equal sign through? Let us take one example. 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 1. So what is our goal? Get the variable on one side of the equal sign, then solve. To do this, we have to move the smaller variable. How do we move a smaller variable? Let us see this example. 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 1. So what is the smaller variable here? 3x. So we need to vanish the 3x on both sides. So 2 is equal to x minus 1. So here now we can do, because this is a variable x, and here left hand side 2 and right hand side 1. So now adding plus 1 on both sides. So the value of x is 3. So what is the important note we need to take? Apply the operations directly below like terms and bring equal signs straight down. So please try the following two questions and come up with any ideas. Okay. Let us see the multi-step example. 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 1. So we need to use distributive property and solve this problem. So we have two special cases. Please go through these and come up with two ideas. Okay. So this is a special case 1, which we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Next, special case 2, 3 into x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2. So already I gave the solution also. So why we have no solution in the previous one and why we have infinite solutions, we will discuss in our live class. Okay. And the online tools which I am using are Zoom, OneNote, Kahoot, and Google Forms. So let us start practicing. So there is a question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahul village. The length and breadth of plot are in the ratio 11 is to 4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So using OneNote, we can do this problem like a whiteboard. So I already told you, even I can share this page and you can write the solution also. So already we have 11 is to 4 ratio. So what can we take for length? It is 11x. It is 11x. And what is the breadth? It is 4x. So fencing the plot, what we will find? Yes, we will find perimeter. So now perimeter of rectangle plot is 2 into L plus B. So after substituting 11x and 4x, we got 30x meters. So what is the rate given for fencing? It is rupees 100 per 1 meter. So now what is the rate of fencing for this perimeter? It is 30x into 100. Already it is given in the problem as 75,000. So make equal these two expressions. After solving, we get how much? X is equal to 25. So now coming to the next one. So after getting the x value, now substitute in length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. So what is the length of the rectangle? We got 275 meters and breadth of the rectangle is 100 meters. So like this, we are going to solve these problems using OneNote. Okay. So now coming to next one. So we have mathplay.com, one interesting math algebra games. So please go through this side and click on the picture. I mean, the thing which you are observing, I will show you once. If you click on this, you'll get a question related to algebra. Okay. Okay. So please explore through this mathplay.com and play one or two games and come up to my class. Okay. Thank you.